Right, morning everybody. You find me this morning in a somewhat unusual location for a bike vlogging video, but I was passing this place and I thought I'd pop in and show you. Now then, those of you who know me and those of you who are into their history places might know this place, might even have been here. Those of you who don't, or then you won't know where this is. But this is Castle Acre, and well, it's called a castle, but it's more of a fortified house, more of a fortified mansion. And yeah, this is pretty much all that's left of it. But as you can see, it was quite a big site. That's the I think they call it one of the baileys, one of the entrance archways there, or what's left of it. This would have been the main entrance. Outer wall, and that there would have been the main house. I don't know whether the camera's actually getting this. But there, yeah, it dates back to around 1070. Okay, so that's pretty old by anyone's standards. Okay, so there we go. Yes, Castle Acre Priory. No, it's not Castle Acre Priory. There is a priory nearby. But this is quite early in the morning, that's not open yet. So yeah, we'll leave that for another day. Suffolk Andy, mate, you probably have been here if you happen to get to see this video. That's the old moat. So you can see the outer wall there, and that sort of extends all the way around there. Excuse all the huffing and puffing, guys, but this is quite warm and I'm in full biker gear and helmet, so it's not the ideal thing for trekking up and down hills. Right, okay, yeah, so we're over the moat. This would have been the old moat. Okay, that's it. Back to the bike, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye for now. Right, there we go. So, right, back with it then, guys. Now then, this quaint little place is Castle Acre. You can see the old gate there with the portcullis. So there, this was a walled village, a walled, what you call it, settlement. As you can see, it's there's not much of it. It's the old church. There, I thought while I'm here, I'll just sort of take you down to where the priory is. It's probably not open yet because it's still only 9:20 in the morning. There you go, you can sort of see the ruins of it there. But this is a paid entry to this one. It's National Trust, so yeah, it's not the cheapest of places to get into. We'll just have a little walk, a little run down here. So it looks like they've got some bit of scaffolding and stuff going on over there, so yeah, it's not probably not the best time to visit anyway. But yeah, this is where it is. It's not a bad visit. They've got a little visitor centre there and a coffee machine. So there you go. Well worth your 15 quid entry or whatever it is. Right, let's get back on the road. Right, that's it. Back again, guys. So yeah, I hope you didn't mind the little walk and the little ride down to Castleacre Priory and the castle. I just thought it made a bit of a change. So yeah, here we are, we're back out on the road. Going to head out towards Cromer. In fact, I might not even go that far. I'll probably go to Wells and then a quick stop off at Hunstanton before heading home. So yeah, for now, ride safe everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, cheers, bye for now.